Drought has been a fundamental issue for pastoralists for many generations. Across the drylands, it's a recurring issue that erodes livelihoods on a regular basis, leading to hunger and suffering. And anticipatory action is an aid modality which has promised a lot and has garnered a lot of interest and investment from a wide range of donors and development partners and organisations. And yet I think many would agree it has failed to deliver on many of the promises that have been associated with it.
The Horn of Africa is mainly challenged by predictable recurrent droughts. Many times actions are delayed in terms of responding to the effects of the drought.
These actions are not working for the pastoralist communities, especially in investments of resources. Every organization is doing their own work for the same communities. The government institution itself is working on different issues, but there is no clear coordination. And if the coordination is there, it's top-down more than being bottom-up. So the community's priorities are picked up.
Part of that answer to that question, I think, is to do with coordination and financing. But part of it is also to do with how anticipatory action programs or protocols or approaches connect with existing pastoralist livelihoods and strategies, or how they don't connect with pastoralist strategies and livelihoods. Pastoralists are populations that are most impacted by droughts across the Greater Horn of Africa. Often the prevailing narrative is that pastoralists are somehow inherently vulnerable to their environments in some way. The reality is that there are structural constraints, histories of marginalization.
Those whose livelihoods are affected are the same pastoralists who live in those dry lands. When a drought strikes, their livestock perish because of a drought, and then being that it's the main livelihood system, then they are mainly affected.
What should be done is clear engagement of the pastoralist communities from the decision makers so that they can have the priorities of the communities right.
The answers, I think, really in grappling with that situation are not in changing pastoralists into something else or encouraging them to do something else, but investing in their livelihoods.
There is a need to rethink how we respond to droughts and its impact. This is from the perspective of acting early, being proactive, and having systems in place that could be able to save livelihoods before disaster strikes.